This video suggests side effects of excessive hand practice with the best solution to cure it naturally. Subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any all-natural health tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos. Men who indulge in excessive hand practice become weak physically and start facing problems associated with their mental health. To prevent and cure the problem, one must take Nightfall and Maha Rasayan capsules and massage their organ with King Cobra oil. Excessive hand practice may cause other serious health problems such as lack of testosterone, weak erection, physical weakness, premature ejaculation, etc. These herbal supplements and King Cobra oil together work to prevent all these problems. All these herbal remedies provide an efficient cure and treatment to stop excessive hand practice. These supplements help in repairing the damaged tissues and nerves and nourish the reproductive system from weakness. Problems due to excessive hand practice. Weak nervous system. Over-masturbation leads to chronic fatigue, which leads to poor concentration and also affects memory. A weak memory and bad concentration can have bad side effects in academic and professional life. Premature ejaculation. Over-masturbation can lead to a depletion of human growth hormone, testosterone, serotonin, and dopamine. All these chemicals strengthen the endocrine and parasympathetic nerves inside the body. The absence of these neurochemicals causes the parasympathetic nerves, which control erections, to become weak. This results in premature ejaculation. Weak muscular strength. If you masturbate much more than that, you risk depleting neurohormones and the neurotransmitter acetylcholine, which plays a role in the nervous system. You can burn out neurohormones if you masturbate too much, which causes stress levels to increase in the brain. Bonus tip. Herbal supplements like Nightfall, Maha Rasayan capsules and King Cobra oil are formulated with proven and tested herbs that help to regain health. Potential herbs included in Nightfall capsules enhance testosterone secretion. It helps in repairing damaged nerves and tissues in the penile area. Rejuvenated nerves make sure of an improved supply of nutrients to reproductive organs. You can gain a fuller and harder erection to provide maximum satisfaction to your partner. Potential herbs of Maha Rasayan capsules help to improve strength, stamina, and power naturally. It also enhances energy levels and vitality naturally. So, you can regain health naturally. Shilajit is the main ingredient in both these herbal supplements. It provides the body with many vitamins, nutrients, and minerals. It helps in rejuvenating your body and improve energy levels, strength, and stamina. It helps in overcoming the effects of aging. It helps in maintaining youthfulness. It is also advised to massage the male organ with King Cobra oil. It is one of the best oil for reversing the side effects of excessive hand practice. It helps in healing the damaged nerves and tissues. Low sperm count. In order to keep sperm counts higher, men need to conserve the ejaculations for intercourse. When the man allows sperm to build up in the semen rather than constantly depleting those stores, he will increase fertility. Hair thinning and baldness. Hair loss is the first sign of a serious issue. Masturbation leads to the conversion of testosterone to dihydrotestosterone. In the case of over-masturbation, the body gets a high amount of dihydrotestosterone. To balance this out, the body produces less testosterone, which results in hair loss. Fatigue. Over-masturbation causes a rapid increase in cortisol. This is a natural steroid hormone that increases blood sugar and metabolism. This is one of the most visible side effects of over-masturbation. The person who over-masturbates often feels tired most of the time and is unable to concentrate and focus. Impotency. Regular hand practice makes male organs weak and insensitive by damaging nerves and tissues. This practice also reduces the flow of blood in the genital region to aggravate debilities. Regular hand practice causes congestion around the prostate gland and lowers testosterone hormone secretion. All these side effects clearly suggest that over-masturbation is directly linked to impotency. Eye problems. The myth that masturbation leads to blindness was created from this actual side effect. A blurry vision is caused by the deficiency of nitric oxide and acetylcholine present in the visual sensory nerves. This deficiency is intensified with over-masturbation. Best exercises. One can perform exercises that overcome male health such as Kegel exercise, yoga, sit-ups and push-ups, aerobic exercise, pelvic lifts, swimming, butterfly exercise, meditation, jogging and walking. If one performs these exercises that overcome male health, there is no doubt in regaining the health after years of excessive hand practice. World's finest masturbation treatment. "100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence. Nightfall, Maha Rasayan capsules and King Cobra oil at naturogain.com. Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Do you have any health queries? If you have any questions or need further information, please don't hesitate to contact us. Feel free to email your queries at remedies@gmail.com or simply post your queries right here in the comment area. Press the bell on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related videos for more information and health tips.